Hello everyone. Okay, so in this video we're going to quickly go over currency exchange. So what is a currency exchange? So currency exchange is the process of exchanging one currency for another. What is up with that? So that is what currency exchange is. So if you're going over to New York, if you're going over to New York and you're like, oh my god, I need to change this €100 into dollars, and you don't have a Revolut account, oh my god, for heaven forbid you don't have a Revolut account, you are going to go to the bank, you're going to be like, can I have €100? You're going to give them €100, but are you going to get €100 in return? No, you will not. You will only get the equivalent of what €100 is in dollars, and I think dollars is more? So you'll be getting like more than €100. You'll be getting like $110 or something. So here are the steps for currency exchange. So we're going to need to write out the exchange rate and put the currency we're looking to change on the right hand side. Find what one unit of the currency require. Find what one unit of the currency you require. In terms of the other currency, you multiply both sides by the amount you need, and you take away any fees that you may have. So let's look at this question here. Sarah's planning a trip to Japan and she needs to convert $1,000 USD to Japanese yen. The exchange rate is $1 to 110.5 Japanese yen, but there's a transaction fee of 2% for the conversion. How many Japanese yen will Sarah receive after the transaction fees? So $1 is equal to 110 yen and 50 yen cents. I don't know if yen has cents, but you get the point. So I need to get $1,000 on the right. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 1,000. So I'm going to have 1,000 dollars is equal to is equal to 110,500 yen. Let me just double check that. So you're going to get 110,500 yen. But there is a 2% transaction fee. So that 2% transaction fee, so it's 110,000 yen. I'm going to minus 2%, or I'm decreasing it by 2%. And since I'm decreasing it by 2%, I multiply it by the multiplier 0.98. So I'm finding 98% of that value. And I'm going to get 108,290 yen, and that is an example of currency exchange. Right, so this question, John is travelling to Europe and wants to convert 5,000 Australian dollars into euros. So the exchange rate is $1 Australian dollar is to €62. So, but there is a flat fee of 25 Australian dollars. So first we need to take away that fee. So he's going to exchange now $4,975, right? And I have the amount I require on the left hand side of my equation, so 0.62. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4,975. And I'm going to get 4,975 Australian dollars. It's going to be equal to 3,084.5 euros. So he's getting €3,084 back after his transaction fee. Let's look at this example here. So this is from the 2018 GSIP paper. So Patrick was paid £200 sterling for the weekend. He converted the money to US dollars. The exchange rates are shown below. So €1 is equal to 0.88 pounds, and €1 is equal to $1.88. So work out how many US dollars Patrick got for his €200 sterling. So we can do two things. We can find out how much pounds are in euros and then change them euros to dollars. Or I know here I can use my associative property. I think that's what it's called. It just means if A is equal to B, and if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, therefore A is equal to C. Right? So if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, well, therefore A and C have to be equal as well. So if I have €1 is equal to 0.88 pounds, and if I have €1 is equal to 1.18 dollars, I can let them equal to each other. So I know then 0.88 pounds is going to be equal to $1.18. So he's looking to exchange sterling. So he's looking to exchange pounds. So I need to get my pounds. I need to go, oh, 1 pound is in terms of dollars. So I'm going to divide both sides by 0.88. So I'm going to get 1 pound is equal to $1.34. So if 1 pound is equal to $1.34, so 200 pounds is going to be equal to 1.34 times 200. So 200 pounds is going to be equal to $268.18. Right? And there are some examples there for currency exchange. Hopefully this was some help. It's a nice short little video. And I'll catch you later, everyone. Bye.